cauliflower with dukkha.
Wow.
Okay. So it's really quick. We just have to roast everything.
Yeah.
We got everything.
Are you gonna be helping?
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Good.
have my wonderful assistant. Very good.
That has so many ouchies.
Okay, so our oven is preheating at 180 degrees.
Okay.
And these are 2 baking trays, one for the chickpeas. And we don't have cauliflower, so we're going to replace it with broccoli.
Cool.
That's frozen broccoli. We're just going to cook it directly, okay?
Yeah, and you
So-
need salt, black pepper, chili flakes,
That's
and
right.
olive oil,
Yes. So
and chickpeas.
we washed a can of chickpeas and we dried it, so it's nice and dry.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're just going to toss it all together, and then we're going to separate the cauliflower from here because they're big pieces.
The
anyway.
broccoli, you mean?
I mean, sorry, the broccoli pieces.
Yeah.
Right? So we're supposed to
And
spray
then
oil, but we don't have a spray, so we're just going to drizzle some olive oil on here. You want to help me drizzle it?
Yeah. Olive oil.
Wow.
Just a bit of olive oil, drizzle it. Oops, sorry. And then we're gonna add some cauliflower, and then we're gonna toss it with cumin, and this is a teaspoon of cumin,
Okay.
Wow.
and some salt and
That's so
pepper.
yummy, Poki.
Salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just
Wow,
gonna go
Poki,
for it.
that's so yummy.
Looks good.
Yeah.
All right.
Very good.
Right. Let's add some salt.
They
And then we're just going to use our hands to mix it,
and
Wow.
right?
they so much. Why you on the
Because it's already to taste, right? And
yeah.
then this is what we made. This is called dukkha.
yeah?
This is a mix of walnut, roasted walnuts, almonds, and some spices, ground coriander, and ground cumin, and sea salt and pepper.
Wow.
So it says to use a tablespoon, but put in half a table. It's 1 tablespoon for the whole recipe. So half a tablespoon in here,
Yeah.
and then half a
And we
tablespoon
made
later on.
this afternoon, right?
Okay.
Poki?
Yes, we just made it this afternoon, so we're just gonna mix it all up.
We used the walnuts and almonds.
Yes.
Then we
We roasted it,
yeah, we roasted
and
it
then we put it in the
in the
power blender.
yeah in the blender. Then we mixed it up. It
Right.
became like this.
Very good.
Became a nice powder.
Yeah, it became a nice powder.
So we're
Good
just
job.
gonna coat all of this,
Yeah,
so it all gets mixed up really well. And
yeah,
what we're gonna do is we're just gonna separate the broccoli.
yeah.
That's stuck together.
Oh,
And it says when you're using frozen broccoli to just space it out so that the water that's in there
mm.
will evaporate.
Yeah. Will
Just gonna
evaporate.
space it out. Give it. It's gonna turn nice and brown.
Okay.
Okay.
How will it turn brown?
This is a
Because we're gonna
chickpea.
bake it.
And this broccoli looks
the
like a
chickpeas in here.
frozen tree.
Looks like a frozen tree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
The smallest
Spread this
broccoli.
out.
Okay.
Right. And we're gonna roast this for a while.
Okay. That's so many
Put it in the
chickpeas.
oven.
Do you know, Abhi, you know what's the brother of cauliflower?
And then
What?
we're gonna come back
Bro,
for
Coli.
chickpea. That's pretty fun.
And
Right?
this is so many
So we're
chickpeas.
gonna pop this in.
And we're gonna
For how long?
put it in the oven.
How long? Let's see how long we're supposed to roast it for. 30 minutes or until it's golden brown.
Okay. Wow, you're using 2 things in one day.
Figure it out.
And
Alright, that's in. Set it for 30 minutes, but we're gonna come back and check on it in a while.
Alright.
alright, bye. Thank you.
Making the dressing, which is gonna go on top of our
Yeah.
broccoli and chickpeas.
Yeah.
So this is Greek yogurt.
Oh
If
wow.
you don't want, you can use any dairy-free alternative. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons, okay?
Okay.
So let's get 2 tablespoons out.
Careful.
Right, that's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
It's one.
That's one, and then one more. Oh no, a little bit more. Little bit more. It should be a full. Yes, that looks good. All right. Can I help you with that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Oh, it's
Oh,
not
no,
coming
it's not
out.
coming out.
There.
You know why? Because the yogurt's so nice and thick,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Alright, so that's the yogurt. And we're just gonna mix this up. Mix it up a bit, okay? Let's just get it
See, Abby, what they're doing with the yogurt?
nice and smooth.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you just have to mix it all up.
You're gonna put in the garlic,
Toilet.
chopped garlic
Can
there.
I smell the garlic?
Yeah.
Smells like toilet.
Garlic bread,
Yeah.
right?
Garlic bread.
Yeah.
Puffy uses 4 pieces of regular bread
Yes.
and maybe also 4 pieces of pandesal.
Mm-hmm.
And then you
What's this you're putting in now?
This is the zest
Zest.
of a lemon, half a lemon.
okay, and then you
Yes.
mix.
You want to mix it while I add some more?
Yes.
Okay, mix it. Okay, careful, you need to hold the bowl.
Okay.
And then we're going to
Sorry.
put in the lemon as well.
Whoa.
Lemon.
Also half a lemon. Alright. Go on mixing it.
Smells
And
good.
That's it. That's the dressing. No, you need to continue mixing it, sweetheart. Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice and soft.
Energy into it.
And
Check
then-
out our mixer.
Alright, and then that is
Good
our
job,
dressing,
mixer.
which we're gonna put later on top of our chickpea and broccoli.
Okay.
Alright? We're just making
Okay.
it so it's ready.
Yeah.
Does it smell good, Abby?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So say bye for now. We'll see you later.
Bye for now. Papa, can you go to McDonald's today?
You want to go to McDonald's today? Okay, spell McDonald's first.
Oh, let's go to KFC then.
Huh?
Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make BTS and Army
Using
using
Right.
triangles.
triangles. Okay,
So this is dude.
Okay, show me which part you're going to do first. Okay, where's the BTS?
So the BTS
Yeah.
is this.
That's BTS. And
And
Army.
the Army is this.
Okay, take out it. Okay, that's Army. And BTS is the other way around?
Yep. Da-da-da.
Good job, Abby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there anything else you can make with that?
I don't know.
You're gonna try?
Yeah.
Are these all your creations over here?
Yep.
Wow, so many creations, Abby. You did this all by yourself?
Yep.
Wow. So you just see whatever you can do?
Yeah.
Did you make a ladybug earlier?
Yeah.
Can you show me how you make a ladybug?